In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy one, get one type discount on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to encourage more sales by motivating your customers to purchase additional items while still reaping the benefits of a great deal. So let's dive right in. First, we need to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Immediately, you'll notice a menu there. Click on the option labeled Discounts. This will take you to the Discounts page where all discount-related actions begin. Next, find the button that says Create Discount and give it a click. Several different discount options will appear, but for today's demonstration, we're going to select Buy Y, Get Y. This feature allows customers to purchase a certain number of items and get additional ones for free or at a discount, and it's a powerful tool to boost your sales. Now that we've selected our type of discount, it's time to fill in the details. You'll need to decide if this is going to be a discount code or an automatic discount. To keep things straightforward, let's set it up as an automatic discount. This means that your customers won't need to input any special codes. The discount will simply apply at checkout if the conditions are met, making the shopping experience smoother and more enticing. Next, we'll need a title for this discount. Let's call it Good Discount. Choosing a catchy name might also help catch your customers' eyes, so feel free to get creative. Now, let's set up the conditions for the discount. Under the Customer Buys section, you can specify what conditions must be met for the discount to apply. You can choose between options like a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount. For today, let's go with a minimum quantity, using our example product. Shoes. This means that if a customer buys a certain quantity of shoes, they'll be eligible for the discount. Moving on to the Customer Gets section, you'll determine what the customer will receive once they meet the criteria. Again, we'll use shoes as our example. Here, you decide how much of a discount they'll receive, whether it's a percentage off, a set amount off each item, or even getting something for free. Let's set it at 50% off for this demonstration, a great incentive for any shopper. Before we finalize everything, take a moment to explore other available options like setting availability dates, combining discounts, or any other specific conditions. Once you've tailored everything to fit your needs, simply click Save Discount. And there you have it. You've successfully created a compelling buy one, get one discount on Shopify. Now your customers are ready to enjoy great deals, and you're in a fantastic position to boost your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.